Okay, so we all know that the girlies have been cutting up about these DIY eyelash kits. So I wanted to try them out for myself. I got this. Y'all didn't see that. Fad Lash. I got this from Amazon because it comes quicker, obviously. If this goes well, hopefully I'll buy the other version because I might love it. I might like it. We're gonna attempt this today and hopefully it goes well. So of course it comes with a step-by-step process that's very, very minimal. So it shouldn't be hard, right? Of course, I have already cracked into this thing and looked at everything, but I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. We have the tweezers, we have the lash remover, the clusters, and then we have the bond and seal. Okay, so of course the kit has everything that we will need. The only other thing we will need is a mirror because I'm gonna do it right here with y'all. As y'all can see, I don't have lashes on. I just have on makeup, some liner, and I did put on some mascara, but yeah. And yes, I'm missing a nail, but some of y'all missing common sense, so prioritize your life. So these clusters go from 15 millimeters to 20 millimeters. I don't think I'm gonna go 20, but y'all can. Y'all, if I fail this, it's because my mom permed my hair when I was little. I have obviously never attempted this before, so I'm trying to figure it out. So we're gonna do the bond, I think. I don't know what length I'm gonna do. Like, okay, I'm gonna do 15, of course, but I'm gonna do the longest one that I'm gonna do, obviously, on the end. So I think I'm gonna do 17, probably like 217. What the fuck? Okay, y'all, so clearly you see disaster starting, and I just started. Like, I couldn't pick up the cluster, and then when I tried to pick it up, like, I didn't know how to place it on my lash. Like, my arm formation was just wrong. So when I finally kind of worked through that and figured it out, because you see my face, like, I'm really, like, going crazy right here. But once I figured it out, look at me fucking up, like shit getting stuck and falling, like it was just annoying. But I started to get a little bit of a hang of it after a little bit, but it still was annoying because I still had to figure out my arm formation to kind of get the cluster. Look at my mom. But yeah, I'm trying to show y'all, like I keep looking surprised because I'm like, y'all seeing this, y'all see me failing, but not really failing, but like, you know, you get what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm just continuing, y'all. I don't be giving up. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna finish it, okay? Y'all gonna see me at the end with some damn clusters on my lashes. They might be crooked, but they gonna be there, okay? So at this point, the tweezers kept on getting stuck to the clusters and my lashes because the glue was getting stuck to the tweezers. Obviously, I feel like I was just doing something wrong here. So obviously it's probably my fault, I think. But yeah, that was pretty annoying. But yeah, I got it done. And y'all gonna see. It's kind of cute. Don't talk about me, talk about your mama, all right? I'm gonna do the other side on camera. Okay. It doesn't look bad. Obviously this is my first time ever doing this by myself. Like, I've gotten eyelash extensions before, but I ain't do it. So I did it. But this doesn't look bad. I like how it looks. On camera it looks fine. In person it looks fine. And it's my first time, like, I did it, my first try, like, it was a disaster, but, like, this is just me being honest, though, okay? So, I don't know if this happens to the other girlies, but for me, the bond thingy kept getting stuck to this part. Obviously, it's probably just how I was doing it. I don't know, but, it got stuck to this, so it made this very sticky, and I did sacrifice one of them. If you can see it, is right there. Yeah, it was bonding and it was sealing to its own hairs. Like it was, yeah, I had to leave that one alone because it wasn't trying to work with me. But pretty much, yeah, I used the 16 millimeters and I used the 17 millimeters. I used 3 16s and I used 2 17s. I was going to use a 15, but that one that's stuck in there, that was bonded and sealed to itself, irritated me. So I just grabbed a 16. Yeah, y'all, I like this. I'm going to continue to try it, obviously. I'm going to see how long it lasts. This lash set is very, very good. I would definitely link this one in the description or wherever the hell I'll link it at, whichever platform I put this video on. You guys will get the information about this so that you can go and check it out too if you want a cheaper alternative to whichever ones are out there that, you know, you probably can't afford. I don't think a lot of them are expensive. I guess it depends, you know. So yeah, that was the Fad Lash from Amazon. This is not sponsored or anything. I was just using it because I purchased it on my own and I wanted to try it out. So yeah, free promo. But if y'all want me to do something else, like, I need to hit me up inside of my business email, okay? Just do that. Hey. Anyways, like, I'm happy that I was able to do this in front of you guys because a lot of the videos I have seen, people have been going like ham. And a lot of times when they are doing it, they're like, oh, this is easy because I have no lash experience. And then they over here bodying it. Like, how you bodying it? You ain't got no experience. Like, that's crazy. What I went through was literally me, someone that has never done this before. I've done it one time before. That was back when I was probably in high school. So if you are someone that really has never done this before, you're probably going to end up like how I did. And sometimes some people might not. So yeah, just try, you know, practice makes perfect, y'all. Okay. Cause I'm about to get this. I'm about to be like, hey, y'all want me to do y'all? Okay. I'm gonna help because I know how to do it now. I'm not messing up anymore. Okay. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and yeah. Come back for some more.